Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the vacuum carpet cleaning settings on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to carpet cleanup preferences. Now you can enable or disable carpet recognition, and when it's disabled, then will clean the carpets as if they were normal floor. But you can also set it to vacuums only on carpets, and you can enable also carpet boost as well. So vacuums only on carpets means it won't mop. On the carpets you can do carpet avoidance, so it'll just vacuum around the carpet, and carpet crossing, which means it will cross it without vacuuming or mopping. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.